out and come rich, come on, is no objective. But from its good loving, we have it in stock. Yeah, man.
Oh, yes.
You may not be a movie star, you may not drive a big fast car, but I love you in every way. I love you in every way.
Every way you can think of.
I don't know why.
I'll tell you.
Oh, why? I don't know why. Oh, why?
Oh, yes.
Woman, you may not be wealthy, not drive a fast car. But me never left you out, cause we a come from far. You remember when we only have one arrow shirt, and you a muggle with me in your tight up skirt. As long as me never mass, I gotta hurt me now. Forget where me a come from, me now go dish your dirt.
I'll keep on loving you.
Always.
I don't know why. Oh, why? I don't know why. Oh, why?
Cause I am hooked on your love like a big snapper fish. The way you look, the way you dress, that me can't resist. Your personality, there is no other like it. But you bad and telling the world, woman, you're Chris.
But I love you in every way. I love you in every way. I don't know why. Oh, why? I don't know why. Oh, why?
Why is a crooked letter? Cut it off, forget the fee. Woman, I'm telling you, I love you endlessly. Me now go pay them the mind, me now go hear what them a say. Donkey ears now since me are your
But
dead.
I don't care about their views. I'll keep on loving you. I don't know why.
I'll tell you why.
Oh, why?
This is another champagne drive.
I don't know why.
Yeah, why?
Oh, why?
I said you need.
Yesterday you walked away with no thought of today, thinking you could go along, not remembering where you're from. But it's too late now, all the doors are closed. You just don't know how the love stream flows. I gave you everything I've got, now you're coming back. It seems like you're running out of stock. Baby, gave you everything I've got, now you're coming back. It seems like you're running out of stock. Baby, you never know what tomorrow brings. Beyond the naked eyes, there are visions of many things. So when you're riding high, never you say bye to a proven friend. See, you're coming again. I gave you everything I've got, now you're coming back. It seems like you're running out of stock. Baby, gave you everything I've got, now you're coming back. It seems like you're running out of stock. Oh, gave you, gave you, gave you. Remember you were free to shape your destiny, and so you've spread your bed. Go rest your sleepy head. I gave you everything I've got, now you're coming back. It seems like you're running out of stock. Baby, gave you everything I've got, now you're coming back. It seems like you're running out of stock. Baby,
Yes, you can get it if you really want. Just make your mind up and say to yourself, I'm gonna reach out and take what's knows how to bake, and it's so simple. Think about it. So easy. You can do it. Don't waste no time. Get in line. Yeah. So many people out there today, sitting on sidewalks, wasting away. But listen and hear what I say. If you don't work, you won't get no pay. Don't waste no time. Get in line. Yeah. Whoa, yeah. I cherish every moment that you're around. I might not show it 'cause I can't find words to say. I try to say I love you, but I get tongue-tied. I start to read your word and fail in every way. I wish you would stay longer.
Just a little longer.
Bright up my life like Disney World. Whoa. I wish you would stay longer.
To make me stronger and stronger.
But just like magic, you were gone.
See ya. Oh man, just a little more time. Could you stay in on me world? I want you brighten up me life, make it glisten like pearl. Just a little more time. Could you stay in on me world? I want you brighten up my life, make it glisten like. You're a nice and decent, well brown top girl. Be the pillow to my castle, the mistress to my world. Brighten up my life, 'cause you're no shy, shy girl. I want you walk me your life and give me full control.
I wish you would stay longer.
On the veranda.
Bright up my life like Disney World.
See ya. Merry-go-round.
I wish you would stay longer.
Don't disappear.
But just like magic,
right here.
you were gone.
I
Oh,
say.
baby, you were gone.
It a sing and a stop, a disappearing act. Gone out of me life and now home she come back. So much things to say, so much things to chat. Hand on your leg and me mind on the clock. Just a little more time. Could you stay in on me world? I want you right to know my life, make it glisten like pearl. Little more time. Oh my turning on me world, I want you right to know me life, make it glisten like pearl.
I couldn't ask for more. Whenever you're in town,
Sing it.
situation gets serious. I feel my knees begin to shake.
Trembling
Heart's
eyes.
being out of
I could
rhythm.
leave.
Glad it's no doctor's case. Must get my act together. To lose you would be such a waste. I wish you would stay longer.
Vibe for a minute.
Bright up my life like Disney World. I wish you would stay longer, girl. But just like
Tickle her fancy, she call like a Nancy. If I sweet loving and enough romance, you know. Tickle her fancy, she call like a Nancy. If I sweet loving and enough ro, ask me touchy so, and she get nervous. Then me lobby so she get cantankerous. Like a volcano, so the girl she eat up my trash. Drop off a bed, let's bring it on broke. I drop on the floor, and we still hug up. And I'm hugging and kissing and romancing up. But before the night done, somebody bet I go boss. And when me tickle her fancy, she crawl like a Nancy. If I sweet loving and enough romance, you know. Tickle her fancy, she crawl like a Nancy. If I sweet loving, watch this so. I do me touchy so, and she bust out a laugh. A tongue in her ears and she can't even talk. Like a old trucker, so she pack up and park. Hold up on her skin till it big like a wad. Me run out out of fluid and her breath a run short. One touch on her body, then she ease off. I told me tickle her fancy. She crawl like a Nancy. If her sweet loving and enough romance, you know. Tickle her fancy. She crawl like a Nancy. If her sweet loving, it's like this. So I with me hand in her back and she make figure scream. It's like a boiling water, so her body eat a steam. Water run off for her like river in a steam. Tears full her eye and she started to cry. She say you're wicked in a bed galaxy, that's no lie. I told me tickle her fancy. She call like a Nancy. If her sweet loving and enough romance, you know. Tickle her fancy. She call like a Nancy. If her sweet loving, it's like this. So I heard the wrongs in the room and hear the alarm. Call me on the phone and say galaxy keep calm. And when me done with her, me hear the girl say from today and tomorrow and even the next day me want to give me sweet loving on the king highway. I told me tickle her fancy. I like a Nancy. If her sweet loving and enough romance, you know. Tickle her fancy. She call like a Nancy. If her sweet loving and what is this?
I said it can't walk, it can't walk, it can't walk at all. Every man forget a cut and you want take it all. You win a bad luck, it can't walk at all. Every man forget a cut and you want take it all. Some people have an attitude like it's them alone. We eat every flesh and then they crush every bone of them. The type of behavior they we not condone, and such an empire should be overthrown. We put up with enough of them, they have those before and we not go tolerate them things. They don't more you have it rough, we have it tough, cause we know we are hardcore. Make sure the future we safe and secure. You win a bad luck, it can't walk at all. Every man forget a cup and you want take it all. You win a bad luck, it can't walk at all. Every man forget a cup and you want take it all. So if we give them time for heal themselves with a rope, and when we say grave up puppy down, pound a fit choke with them. Go on like say, and the devil them a promote, and you can't miss the fire even if them clients are out. Cause it can't walk at all. Every man forget a cut and you want take it all. You win a bad luck, it can't walk at all. Every man forget a cut and you want take it all. Everything a man forget, they say that the people want. Give when them forgive, but them a say that them can't. Them always want everything for themselves. Pack it up around, so make it right up our shelf. If a man forget a thing, no matter hide it from him, no matter carry me in a circle like you want. Make a ring, cause every honest a move always bring blessing. But if you play unfair, then you just can't win. You win a bad luck, can't walk at all. Every man forget a cut and you want take it and you win a bad luck.